Why does your scanner show the P0113 engine code? What does it mean? P0113 is a diagnostic trouble code for the intake air temperature IAT circuit high input. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer has detected that the IAT sensor is sending a voltage signal that is too high. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IAT sensor. Dirty or clogged air filter. Air leaks. Damaged wiring or connectors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Acura, Nissan, Ford, Volkswagen, Dodge, Honda, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.